What's up, guys? It's Nicoftyme, and I moved into this apartment maybe a month or two ago, and slowly piecing together all my furniture because I've been living in a dorm. Everything's been provided pretty much. And now that I'm living in an apartment, I don't have a lot of stuff. Like, I have my desk I brought from home. I was using one of my dad's chairs, and that's pretty much. I got this bed from home. I don't have a TV stand. I'm gonna need a new desk because it's not very good for gaming. It's more of an office desk. I need a nightstand. I need a dresser. So my room's kind of in a mess. But today, it was yesterday. Yesterday, I went to Goodwill. Was it Goodwill? Pretty sure it was Goodwill. Went to Goodwill with my girlfriend and found this chair. Yeah, it's beat down, has some stains. So I'm gonna do a little DIY, get it in shape. Let's go. First things first. You know, this chair's from Goodwill, so gotta hit it with some of this. Doubt you can see it, but some disinfectant spray. Just gonna, bam, bada boop, bam, bing, bam, boom. You're just gonna hit it with a lot of this, You're probably saying, why don't you use Clorox wipes? Why don't you buy me some Clorox wipes? And then I got some stain remover. Gonna hit it with, a lot. There we go. It's running out. But we're gonna hit the main spot before it runs out. I'm opening the window. God dang. Stain remover didn't work, but it's okay though, because at Goodwill, I thought, since I'm gonna build this or rebuild this chair, I don't know, since I'm gonna fix this chair, why not buy some fabrics and such to redecorate this chair? So I got me a robe. I'm gonna cut up. Yes, it's a female's robe. I'll take this because my stepmother bought me a robe without a belt, so I'm gonna take this for her and use that for later. But I think I'm gonna chop this up. Get the back like that. And try to use the remaining on the seat. Yeah. Anyways, let's get that out of the way. And I got a child's jacket. You're like, what you gonna do with the child's jacket? For one, I do like the fabric on this. I don't know how comfortable it would be to sit on. And I feel like if this was an armrest, Mom would just get sweaty. So I don't know. Well, actually I do know. Cut this baby open, you know what I mean? Probably don't know what I mean, but I'm gonna cut this open and take. I hope this has what I'm looking for inside of it. Like some cotton stuff. This was like $1. Let's take the cotton out of this. Thinking, mend that right there. Probably gonna hit that with some glue or something. Bought me some super glue. I've had a lot of incidents with super glue. Kind of scary, but Mama ain't raised no punk. Oh, what? So I'm just gonna hit it with some super glue here. It did get on my thumb. Oh, lot got everywhere. Oh, lot. See, this would be annoying to have my arm on. Okay. We're just gonna cut the sleeves off this, and we're gonna make it work. is actually going to be the part where I make this go zoom zoom. Honestly, I'm scared of this super glue because I'm at a part now where I need to push these down, glue these down, and then cut off the excess. But like, I'm honestly so scared of the super glue. Probably should have worn gloves. Too late now. Alright, so I got one side down. It's a little lumpy, but I tested it out and it's actually super comfy. I was comparing it to this side. When I started sweating a little bit, my arms got stuck, but you know, that's a good addition. But yeah, the GoPro is slightly charged. I don't know why it didn't charge all the way. It just charged 32%. Probably because I'm not using the right charger. But I'm gonna do the other side now. Back to the zoomy zoom. So I finished the 2 armrests, and it is 2 or 3 days later because I've just been working on, I've just been playing video games, to be honest with you. But yeah, I finished the armrest, and gotta say, this chair is extremely comfortable. Like, I am so glad that I bought this chair. But now I'm going to get the back piece on like this. And this is the part where I do the zoomy zoom. So, yeah. So I finished the chair, and I've been using it for the past 4 days, and I like it very much. I'm glad I did this. You know, the armrests, nice and smooth when I'm playing, they're nice and comfortable. Yeah, but now I'm going to show you guys the features since I didn't show them before in the video. But you know, they got one feature where you can, you can recline. You can like lock it into place back there so I can't go back forward. And then you got on the other side, you got just like the seat. Oh crap, I forgot to lock it back. You can just like move the seat back and forth. And then, you got the regular raised lower. Oh, there's nothing. But yeah, you can move the armrests out and back in, move them up and down. I've never had a chair like this. I like it very much. But yeah. The armrests look pretty decent. I might have to go back and touch up on some glue spots, like right here specifically, just because I've been picking at it. And then I originally was just going to save this belt, but I wanted to put my name on it without like ruining the seat if I messed up. But I put my name right there, and then the back still looks ugly, but I might put some pictures back there, something, I don't know yet. Thank you for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe. You can check that ring bell. You probably should check the ring bell because my upload is going to be sporadic until I get into a flow of editing things and recording things. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys would like to see on my channel. I'm going to be live streaming 2K every Sunday, maybe some days throughout the week, but for sure every Sunday. I'm going to live stream random games throughout the week, post randomly throughout the week. But thanks for watching. Deuces.